Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to another makeup tutorial from me, Wine Time with Lee. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. If not, hey, welcome back. Now, let's get into this look. To achieve this poppin' look, you want to start off with a base color. I chose P. Louise's base, Winter Rose, and you want to put it in your transition area first. Watch as I apply. Now, you take your Candy Ladies Cosmetics palette and you go in with Tropical Punch and you take a packing brush and you're going to pack the color directly on top of where you just put your base. Now, the reason I only put the base in my transition is because I'm going to go in and cut crease with a different color. The next shade I'm using is Butterscotch. This is more of a natural tone for my skin shade, and I'm using this because I like to define my brows and use concealer. So I'm covering the concealer and I'm also blending it in with the pink to give me more of a natural vibe with my look as well. So if you're a shade lighter than me, you might want to try caramel, or if you're a shade darker than me, you might want to try mocha. Next, you take the color caramel and you're going to place this on your brow bone. This will give you a good prep for when you get ready to do your highlight later on. If you're lighter than me, then you'll go ahead and use the color mint. This is where you choose your second base. Of course, I chose P. Louise, A Touch of Frost. You apply it with your flat brush. Apply it to the center of your eye, okay? Then you look up. Then I chose to apply it again to the inner corner of my eye and look up and around again, just to make sure where I start, my line is exactly where it needs to be. Make sure you take your time, make small strokes that you can control, and you create the perfect cut crease. Dipping back into the palette, you're going to use the color Blue Hawaiian, and you're going to take a very dense brush. I use the Morphe M422 brush, and you're going to pack on that color on top of that base. And when I tell you, it is going to create such an electrifying look, you are just going to fall in love. Now you're going to take the color Grape and you're going to apply it to your outer edge, directly on top of the blue and the pink in the shape of a V, leaving the pink and blue in the center. In my opinion, this creates depth and just makes your eyes pop. Alright y'all, now it's time for the face makeup. I'm not going to walk you through this like I did at the beginning, but I have labeled everything that I have used in case you want to know. If you want a detailed tutorial on how I apply my face makeup, just check out any of my previous videos. Alright, I'll see you at the end. Y'all, do y'all see this? The eyes, the hair, it all just came together so well. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm shocked. I'm shook. Bye. Until next time.
Like.